Useful vocabulary. Archiving a message means that it is removed from your inbox, but it can still be found in the all mail folder. And in most cases, junk mail or mail that is unsolicited will automatically be moved into your spam folder. You can mark certain people as VIP and their emails will appear in a separate VIP folder. If you don't want to see emails from a conversation, you can mute the conversation and it will automatically be archived. If you want your email to be sent at a later time, you can schedule it to do that. If you want to see an email at a later time, you can snooze it and it will appear in your inbox at the later time you choose. Marking an email as notified will send you a notification when you receive an email from that conversation. The following video will show you how to access email features quickly. You first go to the Mail app and choose an email conversation. You press and hold on it and then slide up. And here you can access many features, including the Notify Me and Mute. And once again, to do this, you press and hold on the email and slide up. Archived versus deleted. Archived messages are removed from your inbox, but they can still be found in the All Mail folder. On the other hand, deleted messages are moved to the Trash or Deleted Messages folder, and they will automatically be deleted after a certain period of time, like 30 days. And you can see that the icon for archived and deleted messages are different. If you accidentally delete an email, you can move the email from trash to whatever folder you want in order to recover that email. So in your trash folder, go to the email that you want to recover and tap on the folder button, and then you can move the email to whichever folder. And then it will not be in your trash folder anymore. Spam is basically unwanted email that is sent out in bulk. And your email provider likely has spam filters to mark email as spam, and it automatically sends those emails into your junk folder. If you don't want to see an email in your inbox, you can mute it and it will automatically be archived. And to mute an email, go to the arrow on the bottom right and drag up on the screen so you see mute as an option, and you click on it to mute this email thread. And to unmute it, you go back and click on the same button. Snoozing an email will make it reappear in your inbox at a later time. And you cannot snooze an email through the Mail app on an Apple device, but you can through apps like Gmail, and you can also do it from your browser as shown in this video. And what you do is go to the clock icon on the upper bar and you can pick whichever time that you want your email to resurface. If you mark an email thread as notified, you'll get notifications when new emails come in that email thread. And to do this, go to the arrow on the bottom right of the email, swipe up, and you can see the button that says Notify Me, and press on it. And to make the email not notify you anymore, you go back to the same place and press Stop Notifying. For important emails, you can mark the emails as important or flag them in order to make them stand out from the rest of your emails. And on the left, you can see some of the icons that would appear next to the emails you mark as important. And on the Mail app, you flag the email, which is the same as marking as important, and this is shown in the following video. And what you do is go to the arrow on the bottom right and tap on flag, and you can choose what color you want your flag to be for your email. To unflag your email, you go to the same place and tap unflag. And this next video will show you how to access some of the features through the Mail app on an Android device. So once you're in the Mail app, you can swipe right and you can use the features of moving the email to another folder, snoozing the email, marking the email as unread, and replying to the email. And once again, you can access these features by swiping right on the email. And if you go into the actual email and tap on the 3 dots on the upper right, you can access more features, and some of them are the same, like marking the email as read or unread, moving the email, snoozing it, but you can also mark the email as spam, saving and printing the email, adding to a VIP list, and making an event. And once again, you tap the 3 dots on the upper right to access these. Also, the bar at the bottom is where you can reply to and forward and delete the email. And another way to delete the email is go back to your inbox and swipe left, and then you can easily delete your email. And if you go to the 3 dots on the upper right, you can select multiple emails, and then you can move the multiple emails to a different folder or delete them or mark them as read. And lastly, you can mark an email as important by clicking the star on the right of the email.